Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, we'll answer some of the most frequently asked questions about choosing the best electric cable for house wiring. Let's get started. Firstly, how do you know if the cable is damaged? If your connection keeps dropping or runs very slowly, there are chances that you have a damaged cable. If there is a tear on your cable, it can break down the internal wire connection and can cause a short circuit. If you find a bent cable, try straightening it with your hands. Secondly, how do I test a cable fault? To find the location of the cable fault using the thumping method, a thumper is set to thump repeatedly and then walking along the cable route to hear the thumping sound. The higher the DC voltage applied, the louder will be the resulting thump. This method is useful for shorter cables. Thirdly, what are the three main parts of a cable? The main components are conductors, insulation, and a protective jacket. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on how to choose the right filing machine for welding, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.